Hello and welcome back to the Airbus A330 cockpit. Today we are going to show you an important feature in this aircraft that provides data for various activities including troubleshooting and maintenance. This feature is the alpha call-up function. This function is available under the Aircraft Condition Monitoring System or the ACMS. This system offers access to a wide range of data that is crucial for trend monitoring and real-time display of data. We can access the ACMS via MCDU 2 or 3. The alpha list presents all the available parameters. Each parameter has an alphanumeric code. The alpha call-up function displays data of around 300 parameters. We can type the first letter of the alphanumeric code and filter the call-ups. The alpha menu display is where we can display the data for each call-up. We can type the full code and press the applicable line select key to view the data. The display shows the alpha code, the source of parameter, its position, and the value in engineering units. A page can display up to 5 parameters. For example, the alpha call-up function can be used to view data such as the engine serial number, engine pressure ratio, nose wheel steering angle, aircraft roll, and center of gravity. In addition, we can set up a menu that contains a set of data. The dataset can be called by typing the setup name. If required, we can print the page by pressing the print key.